In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly incorporate a video into your Canva project, ensuring that it perfectly fits within your chosen aspect ratio. We'll walk you through the steps, from starting with your project to adjusting your video, making it look impeccable, so that you feel confident and capable at the end of this tutorial. First, let's begin by opening up your Canva project. Canva is a fantastic online tool for creating stunning designs with ease. Whether you're preparing a professional presentation, crafting a social media graphic, or, like today, embedding a video. So once you have your Canva project open, keep it handy as we prepare to add our video element. Now the next step is to insert your desired video into your Canva document. You might be pulling in a file you've created, or perhaps one that fits the theme of your project. Whatever it may be, go ahead and upload or drag your video file onto your Canva workspace. Once placed, you'll notice options that allow you to manipulate and manage that video right within the editor. With the video now in place, it's time to ensure it seamlessly aligns with your design's intent. We need to adjust the aspect ratio to make sure there are no awkward black bars or unexpected cutoffs. To do this, look for the crop option. When you tap on crop, you'll notice several aspect ratio choices pop up, which bring us to the pivotal part. Selecting the 9:16 aspect ratio. This particular size is perfect for portrait videos, commonly used for mobile formats or specific social media platforms. Once you click on that 9:16 option, don't forget to hit Done to secure your choice. After setting the aspect ratio, the video might require a bit of fine-tuning within the document to ensure it fits just right. At this point, feel free to move the video around and adjust its positioning, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your intended layout. This is where you can get a little creative, making sure the video's placement complements the rest of your design, enhancing the visual appeal of your overall project. And just like that, you've successfully incorporated and adjusted a video in your Canva project with ease. It's a straightforward process, but having your video look just right can make all the difference in the impact of your presentation or social media post. So remember, whether it's adjusting the aspect ratio or repositioning your video, every small detail contributes to creating a polished and professional final product. Thanks for following along in today's tutorial. Be sure to test out these steps in your next Canva project and see how seamlessly videos can enhance your design work. Happy designing, and until next time, keep pushing those creative boundaries.